See, Delhi is a very historic city and a very big city, planned city, lot of double the population of Bangalore. There are three important challenges here. One is the town planning. Urbanization is also more like Bangalore. And the waste, solid waste, and the bylaws of the construction bylaws. These three also we wanted to exchange our notes, though I visited Hyderabad, Chennai and all. But it was very important to know about the Delhi new policies, because if it is not a planned city, any city, it will not work, because now we allow anyone can buy any vehicle and we can't widen the roads. The populations of the vehicle is more than the houses. You know about it. So I just had a brief meeting. They gave their presentation, what is the new law, what they are looking for 2041. Next 25 years, 30 years, what they are planning, they just explained to us. And how the waste is being collected and what they are planning, because I wanted to know about it. Even I have called for a new tenders in the Bangalore waste collections. So that is why I wanted just to know about their agenda. I think I'm visiting the Okla site also, where this waste has been dumped and whatever they are producing. In some cases, now they are starting for a biogas also. And now energy is there, but as far as Bangalore is concerned, we have failed in the energy. We had given 11 to 12 of them waste to energy, but it has failed. But now here also they have started with the biogas. Let me visit the site.
Sir, PM completed 11 years and BJP did a press conference praising their policies and which government has steps taken. How do you see this 11 years?
I don't want to comment anything on the national level politics or other things. I have come here to know things, learn things, implement things, the better, anything for good for Bangalore and Karnataka.
Sir, as far as Bangalore is concerned, the state government is considering to shift the stadium where the stampede took place. How do you see this? BJP saying that it's being done intentionally to wipe out the memories.
In charge of the city.
I'm a minister, deputy CM of Bangalore. We don't. Already my chief minister has reacted. Whatever decisions has been taken in the best interest of the state, we have done it. And we look forward. There are lessons to learn. I'll come out. We have a policies for the crowd also, future crowd also. We have to come out with an act. That is what we are also looking at. It is a lessons which we have to learn.
BJP demanding resignation, sir.
They are politicalizing on the dead bodies. I'm sorry for them.